Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Discord. Now you may want to prank your friends or something or impress them, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, I'm going to show you, in my opinion, what are the best options to do this. You have voice mode and you have clownfish. Oh, and you have clownfish. Now, voice mode is a bit more professional. It has its ups and downs, I guess. Same goes for clownfish too. But voice mode, it's not completely free. It has like a free trial. While clownfish, well, it's completely free and it has a, let's call it, larger arsenal. Now, let me first show you voice mode. First thing, to set up voice mode, you go down to user settings in your Discord, you go to voice and video, and instantly you can set it up here. Voice mode actually creates a new, let's say, microphone, and you just select that and you should be good to go. Now I have already installed voice mod and I have already set it up. It will pretty much just ask you to create an account, and it should instantly set up your microphone right here in settings and then and then audio. It should instantly set up your microphone right here in settings and then audio. If not, well, it's pretty simple. You can just set it up right here. You should be able to, well, detect connected devices. After that, well, let me show you what voice mode has. It has a soundboard. It's pretty neat, and it has a voice box. Now, these things are limited time. They change. Well, you can see, I think every 24 hours. So how do we use it? Well, first of all, let me just hear myself. Basically, you're probably hearing two of me right now, and this is how you check if it works. So let me use one of these. You choose and click, let's say crazy, and you turn on voice changer. Now, as you can hear, my voice sounds pretty crazy, right? So let me just turn this off and turn this off too. And now you can hear me normally, finally. But yeah, with this you can, well, change your voice, and this should impress your friends. Now the second option is, well, clownfish. I have already downloaded it. Basically, you go to download, you choose the right option for your PC, and after that you will get a pretty simple wizard thing. Just install it, create desktop shortcuts for it, whatever you need, and then it should be set up. You can find it right here. If you have created a desktop shortcut, you will find it on your desktop, or if you can't even find it there, you will find it in your program files right here. Anyways, when you try to open it, you might notice that nothing has really changed, nothing happened. Well, why is that? It's actually right here. Now you right click on it and then you go to set voice changer, and you will have this beautiful thing. You have many options right here, as you can see. They're pretty it's a pretty simple interface, and it's pretty simple to understand, honestly. To use it in your Discord, you will want to go to user settings again, to voice and video. but this one's much more, well, simpler. You just need to set it to default, and everything should be working fine. You will probably impress your friends with this one too. You can also turn on here microphone here, and well, as you hear, it works. You can change it to anything really. Yeah, okay. Double of me and crazy me, and you can just clear effect. Okay, well, I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to ask them in comment section and I will be sure to answer. Anyways, goodbye.